If your Mercedes infotainment system isn't turning on, start by checking the power supply. Locate the fuse box, typically in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Inspect fuses related to the head unit, often fuse 37 or 39. Check your manual for specifics. Use a multimeter to test the fuse for continuity. Replace any blown fuses with correct amperage, usually 10 ACE or 15 ACE. Ensure your battery is healthy to prevent voltage drops. Try a hard reset. Press and hold the power button on the head unit for 10 to 15 seconds. For a power cycle, disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes to reset the system and clear error codes. Always confirm you have the radio code before disconnecting the battery. If power isn't the issue, the problem may lie with the head unit or its software. Perform a software reset using Mercedes Zentree diagnostic software, available to certified technicians or OBD2 apps like Torque Pro. These tools can reset the ECU or infotainment module, clearing glitches. For MBUX systems, ensure you have the latest over-the-air update via the Mercedes Me app. Firmware version 12.5 addresses many boot-up issues in models like the C-Class and S-Class. If a software update failed mid-install, it could corrupt the system, potentially requiring a dealership visit to reflash the software. As a last resort, consider a third-party remanufactured head unit if the original is faulty, as it's often more cost-effective than OEM replacement.